So we're going to look at doubling and halving to solve multiplication. Doubling and halving is a strategy that I only learned of recently. And so the idea is we might get problems with one small number and one really large number. So for example, something like 4 times 22. It helps that the numbers are even. So if we have odd numbers in here, you can do it, but not really what you want to be doing. So it's really good for even numbers. Whatever I do to one side of the equation, I need to do the reverse on the other. So hence the name doubling and halving. I double one side and get 8, and I divide the other side by 2, and I get 11. So and then what I'm left with is a problem that's familiar to me and a lot easier to solve. The reason this works is, if I was just to illustrate it down here quickly, is if you imagine I had 5 things here, 5 lots of 2. It's not a very good illustration, it's a really simple one, but if I had 5 lots of 2 and I chopped the 2 in half, what I would be doing is taking that 5 and doubling it, so that would then be out here. So now what I've got, instead of 2 times 5, is 1 lot of 10. The idea is you're sort of cutting it, moving it around. In this case, it would be that I took that row of 22, cut it off, and move those 22 around, so that instead I had 8 lots of 11. So yeah, that's all I have to say about doubling and halving. Hopefully that was helpful. That's all from me.